There's really two areas where you really want to focus in the law. One is, what does it mean to be a public accommodation, and then also in the employment law area. And so law schools will teach basic employment law. There might be an employment discrimination class that focuses some on the ADA and other disability laws. There is, you can do externships and internships in organizations that actually practice in the area of disability law. I think there's just a whole wide range of areas that you would study at the school to kind of get a good sense of what disability law and advocacy really means. And so, you want to look at the broad range of courses. Social Security Administration is another area where you want to really be able to understand how that interplays with disability law overall. How does the EEOC operate? That actually implements and regulates the American with Disabilities Act. And so you're going to learn about all these different aspects. You'll learn about the litigation side of things. You'll learn about the transactional side of things. So when you're building or buying real estate and stuff like that, what kind of things do you have to think about as it relates to disability, and then employment law. And so you've got a wide range of things. So you're going to learn about the regulatory scheme, which really is where the rules come out that tells employers or companies or public accommodations how to actually accommodate those folks with disabilities. And so there's a wide range of things that you want to take in course. Some of it's going to be integrated into just the basic courses that students take, and then there'll be these specialty areas. And I also recommend to students, if they're really interested in this area and really understanding more, that it would be good to do an externship or internship with a federal judge, because that's where a lot of the cases go that are litigated, will go to the federal court system. And so it's always good to kind of work with a federal judge to see the types of cases that are argued, to get a better sense of the broad range of disability law.